Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download your site for free on Webflow. A lot of people assume you need to upgrade your account before you can export your website files, but that's not exactly true. If you're using Webflow properly and your project type allows exporting, you can download your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets directly to your computer. Now let's go step by step. First, open your project inside the Webflow Designer. If we haven't published your site yet, we're going to publish it by clicking on the Publish button on the top right corner. As you can see, it's now published, so we're going to go to the site. Now we're going to copy the website link, which has .io on it at the end. Then we're going to go to a website named webflowexport.com and paste the URL there. Once we click on Export, it's going to download it for us. So when you go to your files, you can see and make changes to your Webflow website. And that's how you download your Webflow site. Just remember, exporting your site gives you static files, not the full Webflow system. If you're planning to move your site elsewhere, understand what features will and won't transfer. Webflow's export feature is powerful, but it's designed primarily for front-end control, not back-end replication. If you found this helpful, make sure you understand the difference between hosting on Webflow and exporting static code before making major decisions. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.